So how do you deal with bank transfers in Xero? So let's say you've got a main bank account. We're going to call it the business bank account, and you've got your savings account. And in Xero demo, that is called the business savings account. And every so often, you'll transfer money from your main account into your savings account. The first thing you need to do is make sure that both bank accounts are connected to Xero. So we can see in the demo system here, we've got both bank accounts connected. And then on your banking app on your phone, you would make that transfer between the bank accounts. And then if we go into the main bank account, and this is the bank account that we use to take money out of and put into our savings account, we can see a transaction here for £700 going to our savings account. Now you don't use the create option, okay, because this is a bank transfer. So what you want to use is click on this transfer tab, and then you're going to select the bank account that you're transferring it to. Now, because in Xero demo, they only have one other bank account set up, the business savings account, it's automatically selected that one for us. You might have different bank accounts in Xero, in which case you'd have different options here, and you just select the correct bank account. So Xero's already selected it for us. We just click OK, and that creates a bank transfer between the main account and the savings account. Now, if we open up our savings account in Xero, we can see from the bank feed that there's £700 coming into it. And because we've just done a bank transfer from the main account into the savings, it's now gone green because it now has something to match to. So you simply click OK on this screen, and that's reconciled both the money going out of your main account and the money coming into your savings account.